Hello everyone, thanks for taking your time to watch this video. Today we're going to show how to fine-tune items parameters in Opcenter Advanced Planner, formerly known as Preactor. The biggest challenge all production planners face is to balance the trade-offs between high growth demand and limited production capacity and capabilities. Our video today aims to present a few quick and easy steps to play around with items parameters that will ultimately help anyone maximize output using your manufacturing available capacity. Let's begin with the most used and common items parameters. The min days of cover and target days of cover are used for make-to-stock items to keep them up with their demand. And the minimal reorder quantity and reorder multiple are the limits for reordering MPS quantities. Today's focus is on the make-to-stock parameter, which, when checked, defines that an item must follow demand and days of cover. All items are set to make to stock to begin with. Let's create a new plan. This is the planner workbench, and this is how we create a new plan. For this case, we will use the move and constraint planning rule, which first spreads production across multiple resources within the resource group's definition, and then pulls production backwards across multiple periods when items are not made to stock. Now that the plan is done, let's go over a couple of resources. These two resources are very well balanced, but the market Harborough is clearly overloaded in certain days. This is the resource we'll look deeper to find opportunities. The next step is to find some big running items, which are the most likely ones to help us level set the capacity. There are three items that can potentially be moved to either a different resource or an earlier period. The items are 1001, 1013, and 1020. Let's write them down and change their MTS setup in the items table. Now we uncheck this item's make-to-stock parameter, which in turn will allow them to be made in earlier periods other than just following their demand dates. Now we go back to the planner workbench. We run the plan again and then check for the new results on that same machine. Awesome! Our plan now is fully respecting both demand and resources capacity. That's great. So to sum it up, keep in mind that while sometimes one simple change may not give you the desired leveling, we recommend repeating this process for as many items as possible until you find the balance between your demand and your capacity. We hope this video was helpful and self-explanatory for those already using or willing to use Opcenter Planning. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you again next time.